How to install Windows 10 in your PCs. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to install Windows 10 in your PC. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to come to your browser and you have to search for install Windows 10, and then you can simply go to download Windows 10 over here to this Microsoft option and let it open. Once this is open, you can simply click download now over here, and once you click download now, it's going to download the file for Windows 10 for your PC. And I'm just going to click download now over here. So I'm just going to wait for it to download over here. You can see that it's being downloaded, and then I'm going to show you the process. So here you can see that it's over here. Now you simply have to right click it, and here you have to click run as administrator, and then it's going to simply download your Windows 10 and install it for you. You can see that if I double click this option over here, it's going to give me this option of run as administrator, and if you click yes, it's going to download this for you. So that's a process to install Windows 10 in your PCs. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.